Okay, I'm back again after taking a short break, and I'm full of energy, and I had some time to think through the next steps of the Workshop Wednesday YouTube channel. So in this video you will learn about the 4 big topics that can help you and your tech team to build digital products your customers love. It's almost a year already that I started to create weekly YouTube videos for Workshop Wednesday, and it has been an incredible learning experience so far. We're over 10,000 views, 300 subscribers, and I get messages in my inbox from people all over the world, which blows my mind every time I read them. So yeah, I cannot thank you enough for that. Thanks. Now the thing is that a couple of weeks ago, I got the question, what is Workshop Wednesday actually? And because Workshop Wednesday has been evolving quite quickly, let's start with answering that question with why I began Workshop Wednesday in the first place. And the why of the channel has always been really clear. With Workshop Wednesday, I want to teach tech teams to live a productive and balanced life and create a community of like-minded creative people like you and me who are supporting each other along the way. The starting point is that you only need 1 workshop a week to become a high-performing team and to build digital products your customers love. And now to the how. Wow. The how is with YouTube videos like this about agile product development, design thinking, hybrid work. And most of the videos have supporting templates that help you to start apply what you learned right after watching the video. Learn by doing. And if you really want to master a topic, I've created several courses about working together as a hybrid team or product strategy or setting goals as a team and as a company. And then we get to the what and the 4 topics that this YouTube channel can help you with. Let's run them one by one. They are numbered 1 to 4. And I would like to ask you which of these topics has the most interest. You can do so by simply typing the number that has your most interest in the comments down below. And that's because I want to create things that I am passionate about and ultimately find a sweet spot with the things that you, the viewer, would like to watch. This way I can steadily grow this YouTube channel over the coming years. And that will help me to spend even more time creating free workshops, templates and YouTube videos so that you and more people like you can benefit from it. So yeah, this is probably a good time to ask you to smash the like button, because with every like, you give a little bit of oxygen to this channel, which will help it grow faster so that the topics you want to learn about will be covered more quickly. So these are the 4 topics. Topic number 1 is hybrid work. How can you and your team be productive while not working in the office 5 days a week? Think about subtopics like hybrid working team agreements, hybrid working models, and also to practice async communication. The second topic is about workshops and having fewer and better meetings with your clients. So these are the workshop templates for doing your own retrospectives or planning together with your team. And a lot of techniques from design thinking, liberating structures are applied to these videos. And setting goals is number 3 or 3, however you do it. And this bucket of setting goals and the subtopics below it are about setting your own goals, how they align with your team goals, how they align with the company goals, and how you can make sure that everything that you do in execution aligns to the bigger vision and the mission of the company. And topic number 4 is about product strategy and agile product development. So that covers everything that's in the life cycle of creating a product, from idea to tweaking a product that's already existing for a longer period of time. So techniques from the design sprint and design thinking can be helpful over here, but also user story mapping and a lot of topics that can help you to validate your assumptions. So leave a comment down below with the number of 1 to 4. Just a simple number is enough. But if you have a specific question, just let me know and I will try to answer it. Maybe even by creating a new video just for you. Oh yeah, by the way, I created playlists for every topic so that you can easily find the videos for that topic. You can find the links to the playlist, the YouTube playlist, below this video. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.